Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video. I have made this journal. It's just a blank bare journal using my new wallpaper kit, which I will link below. It's a digital kit, but I've made some blank journals, and I'm going to list them in my shop, so they'll be cheap as chips, and it's free shipping at the moment. So I've obviously printed the papers. I have just collated them together to make a journal. This is the tall skinny journals like I like making at the moment, and it measures actually I've wrote the measurements excuse me, a little froggy today. I have to write things down, otherwise I forget. So it is, I didn't write it down, it's 10, and I put question mark because I couldn't remember what it was. So it's 10 3/4 by 4. I've just got to double check of that. It is by 4. It has one signature, and there is 48 pages front and back, and like I said, in my shop, free shipping at the moment. So I've also used some ledger papers, which is from TaylorMade Journals. Going to be doing more of that. I've just literally done all, put the cover on that. That is kind of rustic cover. This is a freebie on my coffee shop if you're interested. All right, I've got to make sure I'm in the frame here because this is a big tall one. So like I said, these are all from the one kit, which I will link below. So there's that, there's this. They're just it's vintage wallpapers that I've been lucky enough to get my hands on, and I have put them into Photoshop and edited them a little bit. This is from TaylorMade Journals. When I say edited, I mean fiddled around with them. This again was the wallpaper, and I've put it onto this vintage piece. The same here. I've got the pink. There's like pinky colours and yellows and greens and blues. All the papers have been coffee dyed, like I said. So this is a great blank journal for you to do whatever you like in. And that's that. There will be quite a few of these available. I love that page. It's one of my favourite pages out of it all. And I've got so much more of the vintage wallpaper that I'm going to be scanning in and doing things with. Hopefully over the next week or two. Obviously it's Christmas at the weekend, so I won't be doing anything then. And I hope everybody, just in case I don't do another video, which I probably will, but just in case, hope you all have a fabulous Christmas, and best wishes for the new year. May it be healthy and prosperous. And thank you all for your continued support here on my channel, on my groups, on my Instagram, on my TikTok. It's just amazing. You're all amazing. And obviously in my shop as well, because that is my income. So thank you very much. So like I said, have a beautiful Christmas, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.